In this day and age, customers will go right down the list. They're going to get a hold of that very first person and they're going to book an appointment with them. So speed of the lead is the most important component to all of this. And that's basically the biggest added value we would give to the Bath Solutions brand. Plus all the marketing information that you're going to get off of the call campaign, the statistics, the data, the analysis, which lead sources are going to go where, so you're able to spend your marketing budget appropriately. Agents will get a phone call and then they'll pull in that particular location's information, all their little details on how they do certain things and so forth, pull in their calendar, and then the agents will literally book that appointment directly right onto the franchise owner's calendar. So the way I see it and the way I tell franchisees is, we got you covered. All you got to do is wake up, have your donut, your cup of hot chocolate, and you're going to have appointments when you wake up in the morning, and they're all going to be scheduled. When Home Advisor has a lead record for somebody that wants any bathroom remodeling done, the lead will come directly to us. We're integrated with them, and then that lead will immediately be called out in an outbound phone call through our automatic call system. We realize that our franchise owners spend a lot of money on these leads, and every lead is sacred. Tracking agent statistics, tracking agent performance, our quality control program on reviewing agents, scheduling, forecasting. So it's a leaner operation that we do, but it's a potent operation. We want them to convert 90% of the inbound calls, and we want them to convert at least 75-80% of the outbound calls. Each franchisee has their own portal and their own way of breaking down their information so they can see exactly where they're at. We have 500 plus franchisees that are in our system and over 30 brands we represent, and basically they all can at any time listen to any phone call and rate it. So we're getting their feedback on how they felt the call should go as a business professional, and then we try to calibrate and align ourselves with that. We're 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. If it's Christmas Day at noon, we're going to answer that phone and we're going to schedule an appointment. So having that ability to be able to answer, once again, keeping in mind speed of lead, and having that kind of translate into success. They have to spend a certain number of time sitting with an agent, listening to their calls. Then they have to spend a certain number of time making the calls while the team leader, the brand coach, stays with them. But it's an aggressive training program. There's a checklist that we give them, and it's literally a full page of what they have to do in order to be able to graduate. We hold our agents accountable to quality control standards after training. We pull random calls throughout the month, and actually that's a part of their pay. The spend rate for what you would pay for a Pronexus service is so much more affordable than hiring an employee to do it.